Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. And for today's video I am at the Baga Creek. As you can see, that's behind, and we are headed towards Waikiki, which is a beautiful restaurant, and we're here for lunch. It is a Friday afternoon, and Baga Beach looks quite crowded from here, to be honest. So we have a lovely ocean view from Waikiki. So I'll be showing you what's the menu and what is the pricing like, and also be giving you information about their food and what do they have to offer, and give you a complete tour. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and also do hit on that bell icon to get notified every single time I make new videos, because I release videos almost on a daily basis giving you complete information here from Goa, since I currently stay here. So let's get started. So this is what the creek looks like, and lots of boats, actually lots of local fishermen, and I'm not really sure if you can actually see, but the boats are full of fish, different kinds of fish. And that is the Baga beach area, and we have to head this side to go to Waikiki. So they do have ample amount of parking, so if you're coming by a four-wheeler, you just park it like at the entrance and then take a walk. Wow, this is so beautiful. Okay, so if at all you're coming by bike, then you can also park, your bike right until here. So this place here actually is also known for fishing, as a lot of locals actually come here by the creek side to do some fishing. So this is the entrance, and of course it is around 3:30, so there's not many customers here, but it's a nice place as it's right opposite to the creek. So they also have the bar counter, which is here. So this is what the creek looks like from this side. I mean, that entire thing is Baga Beach, and then you have so many sunbeds and thousands of tourists on the other side. And this side of the creek is quite peaceful. You have some sunbeds here as well. And so if at all you are looking for a getaway from the crowd, then this side of the beach coming towards the creek is a lot better. And this place here, if you see, they have these sit out kind of things here as well, which is these three things here that you can actually order for your food and drinks as well. And then they have like a hammock. This place is relatively quite new, otherwise it's not very old. It's nice to have a drink and just sit down and chill. And Len's enjoying. Having a nice time, Len?
Yeah, on the hammock.
On the hammock. So this is the iconic Kingfisher boat. Even if you're from the Baga beach, you can actually see it as well. So this is a landmark for you. This place is actually, you just have to cross the bridge from behind and then head this way. So I'll also put in the location map in the description as well. Do go check that out. So you can actually take a walk from there and come this side to the creek. It's so beautiful this side. There's no waves at all. And it's quite clean here actually. And there are some fish in the water. So you can actually dip your feet in and get a free foot massage or a fish pedicure. This place is so beautiful. And that side, of course, is Baga, which is crowded. So if at all you want to get away from the crowd and have some peaceful time, then you should head towards the creek. So if you head that side a little further from this place here, it's about 10-15 minutes of a trek. You get to a beach which is called Tulum Beach, and I will be making a video on that as well. And if you haven't checked that out, go check it out. It's linked in the description box below. It's a complete trek that I've covered. There's a nice cafe as well that you can visit. So they have all sorts of cuisines, right from your continental to Indian as well. So you can actually pause the video if you want to have a look at the rates. So unfortunately, since it's quite late, they didn't have most of the things that we wanted. So we just settled in for some 𝐂𝐃𝐕𝐀𝐃 rolls. And of course, moreover, we were not very hungry as well. Okay, so to tell you guys a little about the liquor menu, I personally found it quite expensive, to be honest. I mean, really exaggeration of a price otherwise. With regards to the food as well, most of it was not available, so we just settled in for some rolls. And this is the egg roll. You want to taste and see? Let's chomp in. So this is the egg. We also ordered for chicken 𝐂𝐃𝐕𝐀𝐃 roll. So let me tell you how it is. How is it?
Really nice.
Yeah. It's quite nice. I think they have a lot of green chilies in it and a little bit of a smoky flavor in this. Yeah, so you've got to watch out for the green chilies. Okay, fine. Right? It's good. So if you come here, you can actually try a lot of their continental food that they have available. And they also do have steaks normally, but today for some reason they didn't have. So since we also will be doing a trek after this, so we wanted to eat something really light. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to the channel if you're new. Since I make videos from Goa and almost release them on a daily basis. So until we meet again in my next, bye for now.